is Milton, my white-faced cockatiel. There are two baby parrotlets sleeping. Here is Mirth, my blue parrotlet male. Here is Miss Virna. She's a plucker. She's a Quaker that plucks herself. Here is Boo Boo and LQ, my cockatiels. Here's some random finches, zebra finches, with different colors. Down here, probably can't see them very well, there's a blue cap cordon bleu female running around back and forth, and a orange leader female. Over here, there are two canaries, babies, from one of the pairs I have. Right here is my blue parrotlet, females. Here is my American white male, who kind of plucks his chest a little bit, parrotlet. Probably can't see these very well, but oh yeah, you can. Here are, there's 1, 2, 3 little baby parrotlets, and the mommy and daddy are in there. Here's some more finches flying around. Here is my baby rat. Papa. Here is Sly. Here is Momo. These are all baby Quakers that we're hand feeding. Here is Scooty Pup, our little special needs Quaker. Here is Stretch, a cockatiel baby we're feeding. Here is Dolly, the other cockatiel baby we're feeding. Here are some random zebra finches flying around like crazy. Here is Peta, lovebird. Up here somewhere in there are my European goldfinch pair. And here is one of my canary pairs. There's the female. There's my male canary. Here is one of my little male canaries. There's my little red factor frosted female canary. He's jumping around like crazy. Down here in this dark cage because they're all put to bed. Here's one of the baby canaries. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. The mama's in the nest. There's 5. There's the daddy right there of all these little babies. And the little 2 babies I showed you earlier. Those are his babies as well. And now just a quick survey of my bird room. That is my bird room.